What's the meaning of anarchism? Anarchism. 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 Anarchism.
Anarchism is a political philosophy that advocates for the abolition of all forms of government and hierarchical systems. It emphasizes individual freedom, voluntary association, and mutual aid as means of organizing society. Anarchists believe that governments and other forms of authority are oppressive and limit personal autonomy. They envision a society where individuals can freely cooperate with one another without coercion or domination. Anarchism has inspired various social movements and has been associated with both violent and non-violent tactics aimed at achieving a stateless society.